The White House is strongly defending President Trump's declaration of a national emergency on the U.S. Mexico border. Senior advisor Stephen Miller indicates the president is ready to veto any effort by Congress to overturn the move. The president said on Friday he expected to be sued, and he predicted he will win. Nancy Cordes is on Capitol Hill. Nancy, good morning.
Good morning. And House Democrats are likely to file that joint resolution of disapproval next week, and they'll likely have enough Republican support to have it make its way through Congress. Lawmakers who believe that the president overstepped his executive authority.
If the president can't defend this country, then he cannot fulfill his constitutional oath of office.
White House senior advisor Stephen Miller defended President Trump's controversial move Sunday.
He could choose to ignore this crisis, choose to ignore this emergency, as others have, but that's not what he's going to do.
But the president's own words,
I didn't need to do this, but I'd rather do it much faster,
may have opened him up to legal challenges, including one being filed by California's Attorney General and at least 6 other states. Declaring a national emergency enables the president to take funds from the Defense Department and other agencies to build a border wall.
It's a dangerous precedent.
We should not set the terrible precedent of letting a president declare a national emergency simply as a way of getting around the congressional appropriation process.
A resolution of disapproval is likely to pass the House and Senate, but it would take a 2/3 vote in both chambers to override a presidential veto. Republican Congressman Jim Jordan supports the president.
I don't think there's any chance that the veto will be overridden. I think there are plenty of votes in the House to make sure that there's no override of the president's veto. So it's going to be settled in court. We'll have to wait and see.
And because of that presidential veto, this joint resolution is likely to be more of a symbolic measure. As for the legal fight, outside groups like the ACLU say they're going to be filing suit as well. And the president, Gayle, has said he's willing to go all the way to the Supreme Court.
And nobody doubts that he will do that. We're all watching. Thank you, Nancy.